Alright, so today, last time we have finished to question 24. So today we're gonna finish processing from question 25 onwards, okay? So 25, 26 refers to the following information, which is a graph. So survey is a government agency. So we have a graph. So about the survey government agency. So A, B, C, and D, and through other surveys and one up here. The scatter plot above show the weekly number of requests received by 7 different government agencies and their processing time per request. Okay, the line of best speed is shown. Alright. So seven agency is corresponding to 7 points here, right? 7 points, and the line best speed is being drawn. Okay. How many of the 7 government agencies have processing time per request that differ than more than 5 minutes from that predicted by the line best speed? Okay. So we will see which difference is more than 5. Okay, so you can see A is more than 5 here. B here is also more than 5 because you can see it, the live best predicted, around 23, and actually B is 30, so B is more than 5. Okay, C is not more than 5. You can see it's within a width of the y-axis, so BC is not. D is more than 5. Okay, and at number 8, this one here is more than 5. Okay, and this one is on the line, so it's not more than 5. This one is also not more than 5. So there are four agency, the difference more than 5. Okay, 26 of the label point A, B, C, and D. Okay, which represent the government agency that spend the most time processing all of these requests each week. Okay, so we have to calculate a little bit. So spend most time request each all of these request each week. So we have to calculate the amount of time they spend each week. So first of all, 25 is A, 26. Okay, for Asian A. So the time is okay. So it is about 22.5 time minutes per request, and time to 5 minutes 5 requests per week, 5,000 requests per week, but let's say it's 5. Asian B, okay, it is how many? It's 30 minutes per week, 30 minutes per request. It's 30. So how many requests is this? 6.5, 6.5. Okay, and let's calculate for C and D. So C is okay. So this for the journal 12.5. How much? 5, right? So agency, let's calculate agency. How much agency gonna spend, and agent D. How much agent D gonna spend? So C gonna be uh, 17.5 times how many? Times 7, which is 5. Okay, 122.7 122.5, and agent B is 20 times 9, so that's gonna join 180. So 20.9, so it's 180, so that's gonna be agent B, right? So it's gonna be B, right? Okay. Okay, so for number 27, okay, so let's do the number 27. So 25 is B, okay, this is 5 B, sorry, I'm sorry, 25 is B, 26 is B, 27, and Fred's favorite drink is 2 part lemon juice to 5 part raspberry soda. Jenny's favorite drink is 1 part lemon juice to 4 part raspberry. If Jenny has a bottle containing 21 ounces of Unfred's favorite drinks, how many ounces of raspberry soda should she add to it to get her favorite drinks? Okay, so this is kind of a ratio exercise here, so let's see. So now Jenny has Unfred's favorite drink, alright? So Unfred, so now it's Unfred. So Jenny now has Unfred drink, so which is 2 lime juice to 5 soda, right? 5 soda. So 5 raspberry soda, I just say 5 lamb to 2 lamb for 5 soda. Okay, so now he has 21 ounce, so that's gonna be equivalent with okay, so that's 7 parts in total, right? 7 parts in total, so means 3 ounce each part, so that's gonna be 6 lamb, 6 ounce of lamb, 6 ounce lamb, right? 6 ounce lamb. For okay, so 15 ounces of soda, right? 16 ounces of soda, right? Because there's 21 ounce, and the ratio is 2 to 5, so you can easily divide it for 6 ounce lamb and 15 ounce soda, right? Because the total amount of part is 7, so 20 ounce divided by 7 means 3 ounce each, so 21 divided by 2 plus 5 is 3 ounce proportion, right? 3 ounce proportion. So 2 ounce, so 2 portion of lamb is 6 ounce, 5 portion of soda is 15 ounce. Okay, how many ounce raspberry soda should she add to it to get her favorite drink? So now Jenny with just 1 part lamb to 4 part soda. So Jenny is 1 part lamb to 4 part soda. But we know that 1 part lamb is equal to 6 ounce, right? You know that 1 part lamb is equal to 6 ounce, right? So we know that 4 soda gonna be equal to 4 times 6 ounce, which is 24, right? 24 ounce of soda. So 24 ounce soda. So the soda more, soda that it has to be added. So soda more gonna be just 24 ounce minus 15 ounces. So that's gonna imply 9 ounce. Return 9 ounce. Okay. So it's D. 27 is B. Right. 28. Okay, so they give us AB equal to AC. What is the value of psi A? Okay, very nice. So, okay, so because AB is equal to AC, okay, this is wrong. AB is not equal to AC. What the fuck? I think AB is equal to BC, right? 28. AB is equal to BC, sorry, it's BC. So in this case, AB is equal to BC, right? So what is psi of A? Okay. So to solve this exercise, we have to actually have to know geometry a little bit. So let's think in terms of geometry a little bit. So let's green screen this one. Okay. Zoom in on this one. Okay. We have a triangle here. Green screen. Alright. And let me place it out. So here's ABC, alright. So they asked us about the value of psi A. Okay, so AB is equal to BC here. AB is equal to BC here. So we're gonna mark them as the same by the red color. So BC here is 25. So BC here is 25. Okay. So they asked about the value of psi A. So okay, first of all, let's delete this part, the question part. Okay, so they ask for psi A. So with this figure, they ask for psi A. Psi A. So they ask for psi A. Okay, so let's try to calculate psi A. So we will have to think of a strategy that we calculate psi of A. Okay, so let's use this formula. Okay, so psi of A. Okay, psi of A. So let's draw a perpendicular line. Let's draw a perpendicular line like this. So this is BH here. Okay. So now because BA is equal to BC, therefore AH is equal to HC, because that's the property of the isosceles triangle. So when we draw a perpendicular line to the base of the isosceles triangle, the base will be split in half. So we have here AH is equal to HC, alright, and that's going to be equal to so draw AH perpendicular, I want to say a plus, to AC, I mean BH. So perpendicular, that's perpendicular to AC, I want to say perpendicular to AC. So therefore we can have AH equal to CH equal to AC over 2, which is equal to 7, right? Because AC is 14, so it's 7 here, alright? So H is here. This H is here. Okay? And let's delete this. So now they ask you of psi of A. So because you find out AH, you can calculate BH. Okay, so psi of A, you can clearly see that psi of A is just BH over AD, right? AD, because psi is opposite over hypotenuse, so BH over AB. So BH is just, you know, the square root of AD squared minus AH squared, right, over AD, because you know AHB is a square triangle, so that's gonna be square root of how many? AB is 25 squared minus AH squared is 7 squared over AB is 25 again, and we're gonna calculate this and we're gonna find out psi A. So that's gonna be, okay, let's see, square root of 27. Google. The square root of 27 square minus 7 square over 25. Oh, 25 square, sorry, 25 square minus 7 square over 25. Okay. 25 square minus 7 square over 25. That's 0.96. Right. That's equal to 0.96. Wow. So the answer is gonna be D. Right? D. Okay, so let's check it out. So 25 is B, 26 is B, 25 is B, and 26 is B instead, indeed, okay. 27 is D, and 28 is D. 27 is D, and 28 is also D. 28 is also D, so that's correct. So that's the end of this video. So thank you very much for watching. See you on the next class.